Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get your own Claude API key. So, what is an API key first? It is going to be a token that has been created special or specific for a access within a third-party platform to maybe in our case or in today's example, Anthropic or the creators or the company that owns Claude AI. So, for example, this API or this token will let the other platform that we are going to integrate the Claude AI with to have maybe some searches, some create some automations, or having some webhooks created from here and there. And it is going to be very helpful for creating maybe intelligent or AI bots or AI assistants, some helps from the navigation. You can go ahead and create a website and then you are going to integrate Claude API on it. So we are going to create a custom app also with that API key, and then you're going to have not the complete control, but some of the scopes that are going to be permitted to that specific control for the app from another platform. How we can get the Claude API key? Basically, it is going to be very simple. We are going to type in on Google anthropic.com or Anthropic only. This is going to be the company that owns Claude AI. So we are going to have this specific platform when you enter anthropic.com. Now, the most important thing in here is to take attention or put some attention into the header. We have Cloudy, we have API solutions, and etc. Basically, we're going to click on API and then we're going to select console login. So you need to create an account in here. So after that, you're going to have this platform. So if you have this specific, as you can see, tab or this page that will show you around about the API, you can go ahead and click directly from Get API Keys, or you can go ahead and have here, as you can see, the expansion or the extension of the left side menu, and we are going to click from here API Keys. Now we are going to have to see the plan. You can go ahead and have some more commercial plans to use. And as you can see, you can go ahead and click on create an API key. Click on here. Then we're going to select the default workspace that comes with. So we have a default workspace. And then we are going to type in a name for the key. Maybe we are going to connect it to, let's say, Airtable or make.com. So make.com key, for example. We're going to click on add, just like that, and it is going to generate this code. So whenever you want to have the code, you can go ahead and head over here, and then you're going to find your code right there. So you're going to click on that code, and then you're going to just copy and paste it into the API section on, maybe you're going to use it on Airtable, make.com, and etc. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.